of me. You have no right.
Take the video. Take the video. You never do anything to him. You never do anything to him.
Come and take it from me.
Call the
Just
police.
because you guys are hooligans, you come here with no identity, then it's just because you are South African.
I also want this one. I want this one. I want this one.
Which kids do you have here? Which kids just because you are this? Let me tell you one thing. Your party, you are killing the party. Who are you? If you are South African, Mama, I'm a citizen. I'm a citizen. I'm a citizens. Don't try to ask on my fire. I'm trying to ask on my fire. No, yes. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Just because you are put on this shirt.
I want this one.
I'm educated. That's why the government has given me this. I'm educated. I'm educated. I'm educated. I'm educated.
There was never been a noise here until you come in. Because you scream at us. You scream at us.
I'm an investor. Here, I'm not a simple person. You think I am? Who are you? That is just because you are put on this.
You must know how to speak to people.
This one.
First thing.
You are asking
That guy was never offended. That guy was never offended by the question.
I must ask you. You have no right. You have no right. You don't own.
So you have a right to scream at us. You have a right to scream at us.
Yes, I have to.
You scream at us because you feel offended by the question. You feel offended by the question. So you scream at us.
Just because you're South African.
We are not kids.
We are not a kid.
Yeah, you must speak to us as an adult, not as a kid. You raise your voice here. You know that gentleman.
We've had enough.
He was speaking very softly. That guy.
We've had enough.
Which will go. You have got to your country, we had enough. Fly your ass to your country.
Then you go to
Fly your ass.
Your own. You think the department just allowed me to open up this?
Your attitude
record.
proves very much well that you are here with your machine, with your rotten machine.
No, I'm telling you.
That is why our kids. That is why our kids are suffering because of the same attitude. This is the attitude that you are providing, even to the parents, even to the parents, as if you are. We are not your kids. We are not your kids.
No, we are not. I'm not your kid.
That's why you want to speak to me. You must speak as an adult.
I'm not.
Not just like it. Why you scream at us?
Oh. This is not here what I'm coming
No, yes.
I'm not the one, but Mr.
Why are you
supposed to wait.
Why are you recording my phone? You're recording me!
You
have a right!
You take my phone.
I know you! Record! No, I have everything there! I have everything there!
We don't care. You took our phone. So what? So what? You took our phone. So what? We can't take our phone. Who are you?
Why are you taking my phone? Why are you taking my phone?
Why are you recording me? Who gave you the right? My phone? You think you can record everyone?
Yeah, we are in South Africa here, Baba. Hey, Baba, we are in South Africa
You are
here.
using power in the wrong way. You are using power in the wrong way. You think everyone is a
People of South Africa
No.
see this kind of
Is
foreigners.
this how you are going to treat all foreigners?
We want to see people of South
No,
Africa.
you are getting, let me tell you, you are getting this in the wrong way.
This
is how you are going to
this
treat
gentleman
everyone.
acted
Just because
different than you.
you are South African.
This gentleman acted different than you. This one, he acted different than you, not you. That is what you do to our kids.
The fighting, the question was, as you understand, where are you coming from?
There's no need to go close to her. There's no need to go close to her. You want to threaten her.
Mr. Edwin,
Yeah, so speak where you are. You are making too much noise. Speak where you are. You are noisy.
Thank you.
Then you can get
Thank you
where
very
is
much.
the matter. Not just to fight, to say
I'm
the
not
question,
fighting.
to say where are you coming
Ma,
from. That one is
Ma,
not. It's not even
Ma,
insult.
Ma, I do have respect for you, like nobody's business.
On the last time.
You understand? You
I
know
come
it.
here
Now
to
I'm
solve
selling
the
the
problem.
attitude.
For my child that I
No,
have,
for you.
I
Who
report
are
Come
you
with his
asking?
attitude.
Who are
He's
you to
speaking
ask me
attitude.
where do I come from?
It's alright. I'm coming from Mpumalanga. I'm proud of that. I'm a South African. I'm proud of that. If I ask you, as a black man, where you coming from,
No,
you must tell me.
that's not your
I've never.
info.
No.
That's your-
Listen to me.
Listen.
Listen to me.
Let me tell you one thing. Listen.
I wonder how come you become a teacher who doesn't listen. I wonder. I wonder how
Do
come.
you have a child here?
You have the
I wonder.
You have a child here?
That doesn't
That is
matter
the
to
one
you.
who's gonna show the
Ma,
fact.
that
No
doesn't
one
matter
will
to you.
fight
Ma, with all due respect,
We were
you
not
don't
fighting here. It's
We
just
never
simply
come
we asked
here
the
to
deputy principal
Ma.
where he's coming from. He answered
Ma.
us. We didn't say anything. You come with your own attitude.
Ma, sorry.
You come
I'm
with your-
I
talking-
take by raising the voice.
Now
Now you want to limit the voice. You are raising the voice. You were shouting to us. You shouted to us. Whoa, by when you want, at your own time. I'm saying at your own time. We're not gonna come down at your own time. That can be.
Yes,
I'm here to attend to
Yes,
you.
when
I've been
You
here-
can bring more bouncer. We won't be scared by you. You won't threaten us. Who are you?
Ma, can you listen to me?
Yes.
You want us to get so? You want us to
Yes,
solve this
that is
issue?
why.
That's why
Then-
she's here.
These ones, I'm not supposed to talk to them.
Why?
Which are these ones?
Yes.
Wait.
No.
Which
I
are
know
these
you.
ones?
I know
You are
Hold on,
disrespecting
hold on.
people, you.
Do you know
You
me?
are
I'm
disrespecting
disrespecting you because I
people.
don't know you.
Hold
Now you
on.
have seen me. I'm
You've
respecting
never
you.
introduced yourself. That's the reason.
Let me explain like this.
Because you love her money.
I'm the parent.
You don't love her
I
child.
bring these people
And
here.
all the parents of
for
South
them.
Africa must know
They-
that
I
how
Yeah.
they
came
treat
with
their kids
them.
here.
Thank you.
Because as
And
a
how
parent,
are they going to
I'm
be
not
treated?
No, you are good in
happy.
throwing other people's hard work down. That's
We
what
are going to tell
I'm
people
not
That's
that
who you are.
Those
It's
people,
jealousness
they are
and
here
biasness.
under
I'm
my
going to
name
tell you.
as a
Thank you
parent
very
of the
much.
child.
Mama,
Thank you very
they
much.
love your
Mama,
money,
I
not
do
your child.
respect you.
They
and
don't
I
care
came
about
here
your
to talk
child.
to you. That's
They
why I'm
care
having
about your
disrespect
money.
for you.
That-
Have you
You
ever
don't
seen
respect her. You
That-
can't be and shout.
that
You
is
don't
what,
respect her.
that is
Let me
what
tell you,
I'm saying.
record.
Let's
You don't
let's-
respect
I
her.
want
You
you
come
to-
here to
Let's
shout.
can you listen to what
You tell us that you're educated.
Now, how can I listen to this one? Please,
I-
without due respect.
Look, wait, man.
Without due respect.
We
Don't
cannot-
record me.
Angeke
Don't
sikhulume nawe.
We cannot-
We need another one, not
Don't
you.
record me. Don't record me. I
Don't
have
take
a
my
right.
phone.
Don't
Don't take
stop
my
recording
phone. Don't
me.
take my phone.
Hey,
Get the phone, your man, the phone,
stop
man.
recording me. You're not recording me.
You are fighting with us.
Mr.
We are
Edwin,
fighting. We are
stop
fighting
it.
now.
Don't
We are
touch me.
fighting now.
Edwin,
We
stop.
are fighting now.
Don't record
I told you, I said never come close to people.
This is school
You're not in your school to look like a tavern.
This one will not at Kusku.
Why are you coming?
Bounce here.
Why are you bringing? Why are you bringing?
Sanibona guys. Ngizodlulisa okukhulu ukuxolisa, especially ku National MK Desk ngokuthi ngiposte ama-video abethathwa nginabo singakakhulumi and without their authorization ukuthi sengaqhubeka ngiwafaka ama-video and also ku-Mr. Mngomezulu who took his time washiya konke ngibe ngimfonele ngo-last minute wangisukumela wathi ngoba this case is talking about umntwana and okumele ubhala ama-final examination kumele ukuthi agcina asizakalile because that is where my frustration was ukuthi ingane ngoba iyenza grade 12 kumele iyobhala kuzokwenzakalani and wangisukumelela phezulu bandla basukumele phezulu and lokho ngiyakuncoma kakhulu uxolisa kwami ngixolisela ukuthi kusasa akungabe sekuba sebethola ilokhuza i-reputation wrong yokuthi they using the MK to fight their own battles and nangendlela izinto egcine zenzeka ngayo zenzeke ngendlela no one was expecting how it's gonna happen. But for now on, I'll leave into their hands. Kube ibona abaqhubekayo nodaba and posting ukuthi how the things goes. That is why I took down the videos that I posted. Angitrenishiwe guys. I'm respecting terms and regulations abo, and I'm respecting rules lokhuza enhlangano yabo. and also banabantu abasebenzisana nabo abama-opposite parties abazoyithatha lento on the wrong way, and abanye they are already took it on the wrong way. For him ukuthi egcine ephendule imibuzo yephutha elenziwe mina, ngizocela uxolisa. And MK Desk, Labour Desk, ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Imina opostile ngingakhulumanga naye. Yes, ngizamile ukumfonela kusukela ekseni. Kwasho ukuthi ke ube busy neminye imisebenzi because I'm not the only one who's having a problem amsizayo. Angisho ukuthi sengithi seyayeka ukungisiza noma bayayeka ukungisiza. No, they still helping me, but mina ngokuba frustrated kwami ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo, and I was just counting a time and I wasn't okay. I posted those videos and bengine anger and I was crying. Ukuyibuza ukuthi ngingahamba ngiyofaka ingane esikoleni and ngibe ngitshela ukuthi ithola isikole esingcono, not ukuthi mhlambe bengibalekisa eKZN to Joburg. No, isikole ngoba ngangingasasitholi kwasekulethe, and I never go there with the aim yokuyodestroya isikole sabanye abantu. No, and nabo deep down they know that they were being wrong to me. The calls they gave me, they shouted at me. They were like, I wasn't expecting izinto ey'fana naleziyana, and nangendlela ama-decision abebewathatha ngayo. And it's not about the drugs, how they think it is. And at the end, they're starting to recognize their wrongs. But for now, it's not about that. For now, it's about to apologize, to upload the video without contacting Mr. Innocent Mngomezulu, who is a national MK Labour Desk, okuyena obengisiza. And positive comments were there, negative comments were there. Other people, they came up front, not about only iskole lesiya, from the different places. Abebecela usizo lwakhe ezibebona engisiza ngendlela right. Ngixolisa kakhulu, and akulona icala lakhe, icala kungelami ukuthi emini opostile. And bhoti wami neteam yakho niwenzile umsebenzi, and I'm still believing ukuthi continuing nalolu daba nisazosebenza ngendlela okuyiyona, to showing indlela eningisupporte ngayo, indlela eningithwale ngayo, and ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. MK Labour Desk, I hope guys nizo-accepta i-apology yami and nizoqhubeka ningisize, ngoba vele ngize kunina ngoba bese ngibona ukuthi izwi lami alisasho lutho. Bese kubuhlungu mase ngifonela isikole singasawabamba ama-calls, usenda ama-message esikoleni awuphendulwa, and awazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngumntwana wakho. Umntwana, it was not about the drugs. Umntwana wami akawathatha ama-drugs, is a very respecting kid. Lokho futhi kuyovela egcineni uma senibona ama-video sefakwa wonke, because it's not all the videos that I uploaded earlier. I only put 2 videos. The one for ADC shooter ngaphandle, and nale yaya ebe nengxabano, and I remove it, both of it. And there's other video are taken kade sikhona laphaya, angathathwanga ifoni yami, angathathwanga ifoni MK Labour Desk, ekade thathwa abantu bakhona esikolweni okuyibona de bethatha ama video, and amanye they are uploaded. Angwazi afakobani, and I don't have those type of the videos. But ke iqiniso egcineni lizovela, and ukuxolisa kwami akusho ukuthi mhlawumbe sengisatshisiwe, cha. Ngizama ukuthi ngibuyele and follow the right procedure, how I start to do the things. Frustrating, and the anger is the one eyenza ukuthi ngiposte njengomzali onengane ufanele ibhale ama-final, and it's about to kube i-end of the year yokuthi enze i-final and aphume kulesa sikole. Naso futhi isikole is not ukuthi ngangimlahla la engangiyombeka khona ngoba ngingamthandi. Isona isikole engangisithola, and uma ngangifunda ngangibona ukuthi izinto engangiyibuka, I saw the positive things. But-ke ngingazi ukuthi mase ephakathi kuzoba khona izinto ezizoqhamuka. But-ke to assurance ukuthi ingane yami, it's a very good child, shame. That is why I never even end up showing his face ukuthi na nguye lo umntwana nani, cause usayingane and ngiyazama ukumprotecta ey'ntweni ey'fana nalezi. And lokhu ade ngikwenza to raise the voice is not ukuthi khona ngibadelelayo nani. MK Badesk, I'm truly apologize. Mr. Mgomezulu, ngizocela ungixolele with your Johannesburg team ongisize nayo ofike nayo, and I never pay any cent shame to them. Sihambe ngama-flights ahlukene, sahlangana phambili, and they take me with the cars. They never say put the petrol, and bathi sebelaphaya, they never say even give us the 10 rand to do this and this. No, I never pay even 5 cents to them. I fly from eThekwini to Johannesburg with my other son, and naye uMr Mgomezulu wayifikela ngesikhathi esakhe isikhathi ngeflight yakhe ayibhukhele yona. Angekhokhanga lutho, akukho futhi abathe angikwenze oku against umthetho. No, mina nje ngizoxolisela ivideo engiyipostile ngingavumelananga naye uMr Mgomezulu, ezikade ngizama ukumfonela, he was busy. Out of frustration ngase ngiyayiposta ivideo. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu kuloko. Furthermore, okunye kusazoqhubeka kuchazwe ukuthi nakwenzakaleni and kugcinelephi. I think lokho okubalekile, and furthermore yini ezokwenzeka, because they are here to help me, they are here to help all the South Africans, they are here to help everyone who need the help the way izinto.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. So let's go to this last Tombini. He is the owner of this school, Leslape Jimistin, this MLE International School, Leslape Jimistin, Jobasangshilo, and bafike lapha nemtali tolo. I did upload le video ilapha phasi nje mawungehlanga ndoyibona. Bafike nemtali tolo ma members MK betala kule sikolo, umntali uyakhala umntwana kuka matric and bamqoshile esikolweni, and sekutobhala ama exams because makuvulwa ikolo nje vele kubhalwa ma exam, and vele grade 12 awuvali. So lo mntwana bamqoshile bathi ubhema amthetha njani nelumake yasho ukuthi umntwana ke akabhema amthetha kamiva. Bamqosha esikoleni. So makwabeta ama members MK ukuthi atomsita phela ukuthi umntwana khona ubile esikoleni abhale ama exam njengoba babhadala imali enhle kabi lapha nakulesiya sikolo. Wena lumake uhlala kuphi nomntwana baseThekwini. Ayame members MK lapha nakomsita. Amafika lapha hey wavuka ngobhongwane, wavuka ngelaka mnikade wesikolo lapha wabatshela wethu get off ke sana, njengoba sesibona bese baqabana lapha sekuthethwa kwentiwa yini sekubhizi. Ubona ukuthi nenqindi ngaphuma nyalo la ngendlela sekakwate ngakhona, sekabathathela nemafoni athi bangamrecord njengoba sibonile, and washo ukuthi yes he's a foreigner but isikolo naso yes owner. Baqabanga ukuthi government umnike njani isikolo, ukhona njani ukuthi avule isikolo. So lama video bewa uploadwe lapha na TikTok, make wakhona lo uploadile makwemntwana wa decide futhi ukuthi awakhiphe njengoba sisimvila aqolisa ukuthi eqolisa uploada lama video akaze ngayithole no go ahead from members of MK ukuthi anga uploada lama video. So uyaqolisa kulama video lebeka wa postela, but anyway bese swathethe thina sawa uploada. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.